incredible. It must have been here for decades. The forest is just reclaiming it.
Tension on the forward chain. Hold it right there. Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side. Easy now, easy. It's almost clear. Pull harder on this side.
I'm trying, it's really stuck.
Watch where you're throwing that. Pull on 3.
Got it.
All right, lift.
Clear this section next.
All right, almost done here.
Need a hand with that?
The transformation of the hull requires incredible precision, marrying the old structure with new elements like these windows.
We're showing a variance of 2 millimeters here.
All right, let's recalibrate the sensor array.
Make sure that bead is consistent all the way down.
Got it. This next section is taped off already.
Looks good from here, keep it moving. Okay, the plating looks thin here and the rust is deep. We need to budget for full replacement on this section.
We've got some pitting here, mark that down.
Copy that, pitting at frame 42.
We need to reroute the auxiliary power through this conduit here.
Okay, but watch the voltage drop on that run. The diagnostic readings look good, but we have some steam right here.
Okay, let me tighten that connection now.
Did you connect the auxiliary power yet?
Yep, just finished tying it into the main bus.
Check the starboard engine pressure.
Reading steady at 50 psi. As we move inside, you can really see the intricate skeletal framework taking shape. It's truly a marvel of engineering. Our state-of-the-art facility allows us to handle vessels of any size, from classic yachts to these massive industrial hulls. Make sure the hull readings are logged correctly.
Already on the list? Heading to the bow next.
Crane control, bring her down 5 meters, slow speed.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.
Keep it steady on the right, push.
We're moving clear of the staging area. Keep the hydraulics pressurized.
Keep going on that water line. We need it spotless by sundown.
Roger that. Almost clear here.
Clear on the left side.
Easy now, keep coming right.
Section is clear.
All right, move to the starboard side.
Watch the intake valve there.
Check the pressure on that gauge right there.
It's holding steady at 50 psi. Looks good to proceed.
All right, easy now. Keep her steady on the starboard side. Copy that. Moving slowly. Looks good. There she is. Well done, team.
Absolutely beautiful work.
How are the pressure levels looking up there?
They're holding steady for now. Keep an eye on that steam vent.
Keep her steady at 20 knots.
20 knots, aye.